6 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Victory red, ebony interior. Clean Carfax in this car, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles at approximately 35,000 off the top of my head. 35,330, I think it was. We'll take a look at the odometer when we get around, start it up, check out the interior. Well taken care of car. There's also a envelope of receipts that will go along with this from the previous owner. You can see we had the oil changed once a year in the spring. Driven summers only. Let you take a close look at the front fascia. Paint shows well in this car. Obviously you're going to have an imperfection here or there. It has been driven 35,000 miles, but overall you can see not a lot of chips, scratches, anything like that on the front fascia. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car top to bottom, underside, interior, engine bay, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Chrome wheels, as you can see, drilled rotors up front. This is a 3LT package, by the way. In 07, of course, the LS2, 400 horsepower, 6-liter underneath the hood. 6-speed manual paired up with that LS2. And nicely equipped with the 3LT package. You're going to have power seats both sides, heads-up display, electronic dual climate control. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Included in the purchase will also be a car cover, and this car comes with the red hard top, the removable hard top. And you can see pictures of it with the hard top in and out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let you take a look down the driver's side. And again, you can see it's pretty much free of any nicks, dings, scratches. Nothing major. Like I said, you may find an imperfection here and there, but overall, this car shows very well. Also has the cargo kind of security net, I guess, if you will, or the Corvette cargo cover for that area. Hardtop is locked in place back there. Bose stereo, memory seating, power windows, power locks. Again, heads-up display, power seats both sides, heated seats both sides, dual climate control, and of course the 6-speed. Let's take a good look at the seating area. Leather wearing as you would expect. Just getting the kind of crease and wrinkles. It's like a leather coat or leather pair of shoes. Bolster, not bad at all. And of course, passenger seat, all like new over there. And again, probably 100 and some pictures of this car online. You'll be able to check out the interior, the undersides. Check those exact miles. Start it up, let's hear it run. Stereo, obviously working. No, that was funny. I haven't seen that programmed in where the name goes. 35,342. Somebody had a sense of humor. Previous owners. There's your dual climate control, heated seats. Dash, everything looking good. I'm gonna pop this hood so you can take a look underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Very clean, well taken care of engine bay. First of all, Look at this hood liner. You can tell it has not been driven in much for inclement weather at all. No stains, grime, road debris on there. And then look at this engine bay. End stock, not modified as far as exhaust, cold air intake, anything like that. Just what you'd expect. And again, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. And I haven't seen anything on here that really stands out that screams paint work or anything like that. Smooth running LS2. There you go, looking for a nice, well taken care of Corvette, 2007 Chevy Corvette. Nice looking coupe. Give us a call. Victory red color, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.